Okay, after an all-nighter, my entry for the pulse motor build-off. Although I'm not officially entering because I happen to be one of the judges. But anyway, thought I would just have a build of my own, just to go alongside with all the guys that are doing it. And here it is. This didn't really work out the way that I wanted it to work out. I couldn't get it to operate with the circuit that I wanted to use, so what we've done here is got a pulse motor here, which is of course running off the battery. This is my onboard generator come transformer. As we know, a pulse motor is both. Put 12 volts in and we get a lot high voltage out, and we also get a current generated by the rotor itself. So we're coming out of the run coil going into this cap. This cap is what will be driving the second motor. I have a 12 volt LED here to limit the voltage in the cap to around 14-15 volts, and of course this pulse motor here charges this battery here. So before we run out of time, we'll give her a spin up and we'll wind the revs up a bit, which is why I have this guard on here. Is because I've already had one magnet leave without notice, and it only just missed me and it was moving out, so just a guard there to offer some sort of protection. Word of advice to anyone building: put an inline fuse, just like I haven't. But if you're going to be leaving the machine alone running, put an inline fuse in case something goes wrong. Okay, so here we have our amp draw. Here we have the voltage that is in the cap, and that's basically the only two meters I'm going to put on, because this is just a bit of a fun build. This machine is in no way efficient at all, although it doesn't pull that many amps to run this motor. So I'll give her a we will actually plug the power onto it before we try and start it. So the cap voltage at the moment's around 14.5 volts. Because I've added a resistor in line with the LED just to get the voltage up a little bit. We're pulling 53 milliamps at whatever voltage the battery is, and we're of course charging this. So now we just give this one a little spin. This one's extremely quiet, you can't hear it running over that especially. So that one there is now charging our other battery. And of course our voltage has gone down. So what we're going to do now is we're going to wind this thing up. Okay. can only just hear that other one running. Well, that's my build for the second pulse motor build off. Very tired, need some sleep, haven't had sleep for 48 hours. And probably also gone over my 4 minutes. Bugger. Anyway, cheers from me. Thanks to all the competitors that joined in. Had some fun, and there is going to be a few of you that win some really good prizes. Cheers from the Tin Man.